Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today, as you can see, I'm thanking you guys for 1,000 reviews on our Etsy shop, and thank you for those who are starting to roll in with new reviews on our new shop as well. And if you didn't know, this is our 200th episode on YouTube. It just so happened to correlate that they landed on the same day, so I wanted to get this video out real quick for you guys. We'll be hitting up more tutorial videos and cool tool videos here coming up soon. So let's jump into this real quick. I'm going to show you guys how you can contact me just for watching this video to get a discount as a thank you for all of the reviews. And I'm going to show you really quick those the little milestone marker here that you guys helped me out with. As you can see, we've hit that 1,000th review milestone. I really appreciate you guys sharing like your photos, your comments, your stories. I've heard so many cool stories about how people have shared a design throughout actual school systems, or how somebody's sold 200 of our gaming stands already on their shop. I really appreciate all of your guys' stories and reviews. It means so much. I really appreciate all of your support. I can't believe that we've gotten up to 1,000 reviews and 16,000 sales. I really appreciate everybody's support. Like I said here at the beginning, I'm going to show you how you can get in contact with me directly. If you jump over to our brand new site, the freshstartcustoms.com website, you can scroll down anywhere on any page and you'll have the contact us button or chat with us button. You click on that and then just write me a message saying, hey, I watched your review video and I'd like to get a discount to try out one of your designs. I'll hit you up. Just give me a minute or two for me to get the message, and then I'll email you back with a discount, and then you'll be all set to go. You'll be able to use that discount on this website here. And then, like I said, if you want to leave a review on our new website, as you can see, we've got a few coming in already. We've got 2 on this one on this one, and they'll start filling in over time. If you want to leave a review on here, let's just say you bought this design in the past, you'll just come to the design, scroll down towards the bottom, and then you'll click write a review. And then you can just type in your name, email address, how many stars you want, the title, and the body of the text. You'll submit your review. So that's pretty much it for this episode. If you're not subscribed to our newsletter, go ahead and click on join our newsletter here at the top of our page, and it'll bring you to this website. Drop your email there, and we'll send you some discount codes from time to time, and other cool events that are happening, like the big designer sales, whenever there's like a whole group of designers that get together, and different events like that. But yeah, other than that, I really appreciate you guys for giving me 1,000 reviews, sharing your stories, being part of the community, being subscribed to our YouTube channels, and being part of all of our groups that we're involved with. The Glowforge community is so awesome. You guys are so awesome. Thanks for being a part of Fresh Start Customs. And we'll catch you guys here in the next video.